sporting nation, right? There is sports beyond cricket.
Money is not a constraint anymore. It's not all pressure.
Right.
It's we want to work hard and party hard.
Alright, you're tuned into Fever 104 FM. This is Cheyenne on the Superhero Show, and I've got some lovely guests in the studio. We try to give them a warm welcome. How warmed up they felt, only they can tell. I've got Abhishek and I've got Mukesh from media, and we'll clap. Camera person jo hai, abhi clap karo thoda, because we don't have too many people in the studio. Okay. Thank you for coming to Fever FM. Before we go ahead with you, I know you guys, but can you kindly introduce yourself once for our listeners on radio?
Sure. Thank you, Shine, for having us on the show. I am Mukesh. I'm from the Media Ant. We've started Media Ant 12 years back, and I'm excited to be on your show.
Absolutely. Abhishek.
Shan, it's a pleasure to be on your show. And I work with Mukesh, and we are in Bangalore, but also in Mumbai and Delhi.
Absolutely. Mumbai and Delhi media, and as we say, Fever FM is one of the most happening radio stations. Fever FM is the most happening radio station in the country, and Media Ant is what I would describe as perhaps the most happening media agency in the country. Media Ant, now this is a very interesting name. I want to know how did this name come up, and also if you could describe your media agency karta kya hai? For people out there listening to you on radio, jinka media se utna taluk nahi hai, so they should also understand what a media agency does.
So let me start with the Media Ant name, and probably Abhishek can then talk about Media Ant karta kya hai. So Media Ant name, when we were trying to think of a name, we came across, we brainstormed in my balcony about names like Media Hippo, Media Elephant, Media Giant, etc., etc. And we stumbled upon Media Ant.
Achha.
And we liked the characteristics of an ant, how they display teamwork and achieve, huge tasks. And when I was discussing this idea, we were discussing in a small cafe in Indiranagar called Ants Cafe. So I could relate to it. And that's how we zeroed in on the name The Media Ant.
Alright, this started about 12 years back.
Absolutely.
Okay, and what does a media agency do? अगर आपको लोगों को समझाना पड़े जिनको जो मीडिया को जानते नहीं उतना.
हम basically ads चलाते हैं. So we are riding the digital wave in India right now. अभी इंडिया में सब कुछ ऑनलाइन होता है, right? तो आप ऐसे सोचो कि the Media Ant is India's largest online platform to discover any kind of ads. So it could be starting from an ad on radio to an ad in the newspaper to an ad on an auto to even putting an ad on IPL or the World Cup. So we actually are today the largest media platform in the country with close to 4 lakh media options listed.
Right.
And we cover both what is called traditional media, which is TV, radio, cinema, outdoor, as well as new age media, which is digital, social media, sports, everything.
Superb. Mukesh, there is a backstory of where and how Media Ant started. Of course, you told us how you came up with the name, but you guys, your first office, where was it and how did you guys progress from there? Can you tell us that?
Absolutely. So our first office was my apartment's balcony. And we were 3 of us. We started working there. In a couple of months, the team expanded. We took up another room of my apartment, and then the team kept growing. We took another room from my apartment, and eventually I actually had a very little space to sleep, and that too sharing with a friend of mine. So that's how we started, and after a year, the apartment owners or the whole society realized that we are doing commercial activity from there, and they kicked us out. So that's how the Media Ant started in my balcony, and I'm super, super happy that I was able to experience it.
Absolutely. It's turned into something this big and this huge. I'm sure शुरू करते वक्त तो आपने इतना बड़ा शायद नहीं सोचा होगा.
Absolutely not. कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि मैं आपसे बात भी कर रहा हूँगा. I think I actually never thought, and I'm blessed that I'm on your show and able to do this.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for being on the show, by the way. Abhishek ji, मेरे को ये बताओ कि you guys have run a lot of campaign, a lot of innovative ones. In fact, interview शुरू होने से पहले you were telling us about the first campaign that you ran for a particular company. You want to tell us about some innovative campaigns that you can think of right now? I know I'm putting you in a spot that way, but जनता को बताना चाहे कि अच्छा आपने किया था ये वाला ad.
We've been very fortunate and blessed to have run many famous company ads, right? But the one example that I would like to share is we had this healthcare client who wanted to promote pile surgery. And you also give me a reaction right now, right? People can see your reaction, but right. I'm sure even they are feeling it, right? It's a taboo topic. Nobody wants to talk about pile surgery karana hai. But it's like हर एक को जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम है उसको कराना है, बट यू डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट. सो वी
हाँ.
केम अप विद दिस आइडिया. हमने दिल्ली में इन अ वेरी बिग मॉल, सिलेक्ट सिटी मॉल, वी टुक अ प्राइम लोकेशन, उस पे हमने एक थ्रोन डाल दिया, यू नो लाइक अ रियली फैंसी थ्रोन, और उसके ऊपर एक कैक्टस डाल दिया. एंड देन वी हैड an RJ like you who was standing there inviting people to say ये हो क्या रहा है, right? And of course there was an ad running on the radio and people were talking about what is this whole thing, and then from there we created humor around this painful topic and it became a very light moment. So I think that was one Krakow thing that we have done amongst the many campaigns we've done.
Right, I think addressing all of these पेन पॉइंट्स ऑफ पीपल जिस पर हम हंसते हैं या टैबू टॉपिक होता है, एड्रेसिंग ऑल ऑफ देम थ्रू ह्यूमर वर्क्स रियली वेल इन आवर सोसाइटी. आयुष्मान खुराना की मूवीज जैसी होती हैं, आपका कैंपेन भी वैसा ही कुछ था. अच्छा, योर टैग लाइन इज एम्पावरिंग ऑल टू एडवर्टाइज. कैन यू टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट दैट कि कैसे एम्पावर करते हो? हाउ डू यू लिव अप टू द टैग लाइन?
Sure. So in fact when we started Media Ant, the whole intent was to make डिस्कवरी ईजियर. किसी को भी एड खरीदना है वो मीडिया एंड पे जाओ, आप इंफॉर्मेशन देख लो, रेट्स देख लीजिए, एंड देन बाय फ्रॉम देयर. एंड देन वी मूव टुवर्ड्स मीडिया बाइंग मेड इजी. एंड टुडे 2 years back we had a realization, an experience that today we are able to serve thousands of brands, and hence we realized let's go beyond all this, because people want real solutions.
Right.
If a brand has started or a brand is in X years of the journey, they would want to grow. So how can we help them to grow? And that is where we realize that empowering all to advertise is the tagline which can help us in achieving our vision. So how we do that? Now today a brand, no matter what, if they've started a day before or they are in their 10th year of operations, we help them considering their overall scope of business, that this is what
Right.
you should do. In fact, at times when brands start and they come to us, a lot of startups, that what should we do, where should we advertise, we actually tell them that don't advertise. Probably you can pick up some of the low hanging fruits which are cheaper in nature or free of cost in nature, so that once you have your product fit is when you can probably advertise, and then probably can come to us and we'll help you on how to do that.
Small brands come up to you, the first thing is ki don't give us business.
Absolutely, yes, at times.
Give us business a little down the line.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Ajay, the Cricket World Cup just got over. In fact, I was checking your LinkedIn page and वहाँ पर था कि Cricket World Cup का इस particular brand का advertisements, you guys had worked on that. You guys are also into sports marketing.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about that as well?
I'm very passionate about sports, so we realized that India as a country, we need to become a sporting nation, right? जैसे इंडिया बढ़ेगा, 140 करोड़ की आबादी है, and we should be playing well in every sport, right? And of course we just won the World Cup, we're all celebrating it, but there is sports beyond cricket, right? If you look at today, we are world class in so many sports, whether it's badminton, whether it's wrestling, whether it's kabaddi, and at the end of the day, पैशन से सब कुछ नहीं बनता है, पैसे भी चाहिए, right?
Right.
What's the good thing right now in India is that corporate money and even the government's initiative like Hello India is really promoting grassroots level sports. So you're seeing a lot of sporting talent being recognized, like Neeraj Chopra, biggest example. He used to
Right.
train at a large corporate facility here in Karnataka, and that's how he became an Olympic gold medalist.
Right.
So what we do in the same way is the way sports is being consumed now is also very different from how when we grew up we used to have only one TV set and hundreds of people around it, right? Now you're consuming sport on mobile, on website, on radio. Even your channel does such an amazing job of bringing sports to life, right?
Thank you.
So what we are doing is we are empowering ads, like how our vision is to empower all to advertise. Even in sports, we are empowering brands to be in the right moment, right? And it could be on digital, it could be on website, it could be on radio, it could be on ground, or with a franchise partnership, or on TV, anywhere. And we are very bullish about the future of sports in our country and how even sports media should be promoted through our platform.
And good time to talk about sports marketing, so to say, because India just won the World Cup and we've also got the Olympics coming up, and cricket to hota hi rahega. Apart from cricket, now since you are into sports marketing, what other sport do you feel there is, a build-up of public interest towards? Football ke liye hai, but football is, Indian football has not reached that place. But is there any other sport which is kind of or might get mass following down the line?
There are many, like if you look at how I would say even Bollywood helps popularize sport, right? So if you look at how wrestling became such a big thing, right? If you look at how kabaddi is now getting recognized, right?
Right.
If you look at even badminton, right? If you look at there are so many sports like archery, like even table tennis, right? In every interesting that you mentioned Olympics. So in this year's Olympics in Paris, there'll be 45 sporting disciplines. India is going to participate in 16 of them, right? And that's very interesting. And we have a medal chance in many of them, right?
Right.
So my personal hope is that we'll win the gold medal in hockey once again, which is where we used to always be like the world champions. And yeah,
2024 is a little too early, मेरे को ख्याल से for hockey gold,
Yeah.
but we definitely can expect a medal. But
Yeah.
gold,
last time we got in Tokyo, we got the bronze, right?
Right.
So why not dream for gold?
we can dream for gold.
Yeah.
But if you look at the recent performances,
I know.
silver, bronze, tak hum log, it's a realistic expectation,
Yeah.
is what I would say. But of course, gold will be such a pleasant surprise for that matter. We did talk about entrepreneurs, people who've recently started the business. When they come to you, first thing you tell them is maybe don't advertise, right?
Yes.
So let's say an entrepreneur is listening to you on radio. अब उनको पता नहीं अपने ब्रांड के साथ कैसे करना है, ब्रांड की बातें लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचाए. So what would you suggest that entrepreneur?
Yeah.
How do they get in touch with you if they want to
Sure.
work with you? Where should they advertise? क्या करना है?
So again, as I said earlier, they should first get to product fit. Sort out the packaging, sort out the logistics, sort out the procurement, and then probably spend money, because doing advertising, spending money on advertising is easier. You can always do that. But then how do you keep your house in order and fix other things? Once that is done, then building more awareness about your brand is something which we can help with. And how they can reach out to us is by just logging on to www.themediaant.com. So we are available there. They can write to us, they can call us, and we are always there to help. We've helped with brands from spending 1,000 rupees to multi-crore rupees.
Oh, wow.
So that's not a constraint. So money is not a constraint anymore.
Right, absolutely. And that's why your tagline is, of course, empowering all to advertise, and all definitely means all. I've recently heard that you guys have launched a tool for ads on radio. How does that work?
As part of empowering all to advertise, one of the things that we do is we democratize media. Like, it should not be a black box for people. They should be able to almost, like how today you can run an ad on Google or Facebook, right? You should be able to do the same for booking an ad on an outdoor or on a newspaper or now hence radio. So because till date we have run almost 20,000 campaigns, our system has a lot of data, like our software that we have proprietary access. So we have opened up this through a tool where, let's say you're a brand who only wants to advertise in a city, let's say Bangalore, and you think your product is for this kind of audience, people who are Kannadiga speaking or English speaking or Hindi speaking, because Bangalore is now quite cosmopolitan. You could have any of these, right?
Right.
You give some of these details and what is the objective you have, and then the tool picks up, okay, what is the right channel fit for you, and which is the target audience who's listening to that at what time of the day. In radio we have very interesting times of the day. You have the morning
Right.
band, you have the afternoon band, the evening band. So when should you place your ad, how much should you spend, all of these details then gets captured automatically by the tool, and at a click of a button you can actually even book your campaign.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Maybe I can promote myself on other radio stations. Just call them up and say that I want to run an ad. Everybody will be so happy. Another thing that I want to talk to you about is, people listening to this on radio, उनको लगेगा कि अरे advertisements तो चलाते हैं हम लोग. आप advertisement के बारे में बात भी कर रहे हो कि अलग से. And ads is not something that people would say कि ये मेरा favorite है करके. However, if the ads are not there, none of our lives would work. हम जो भी चीज़ें खरीदे हैं लाइफ में, कपड़े से लेकर लैपटॉप से लेकर कुछ भी, everything we've got to know about them through the ads, and a lot of it might be. Do you ever go out in the streets and look at a car or look at a phone that people are using like, हाँ, हमारे लिए खरीदा इसने, because we made that ad, that's why this person. Do you ever feel like that? Do you ever wonder?
Absolutely.
Reflect?
Absolutely. Yes, many times. So, we've worked with a lot of brands who've built their businesses via radio. So, I'll give you a couple of examples. Furlanco is a furniture rental company. So, the moment I see people who are booking furniture online, and I'm like, wow, radio has helped them there. There's a brand called Spinny, which is into second-hand cars.
Right.
On the road, when I see a Spinny car, they have a Spinny logo at the back of the car, and I'm like, Yes, radio has performed in there. So
No, even apart from radio, like just because you guys have worked on it, आपको लगता है कि ना मेरे कंपनी का
कुछ ना कुछ तो
ये
लगता है,
थोड़ा।
वो थोड़ा सा लगता है और बहुत प्राउड फील होता है उस वक्त.
हाँ कि आज लोग प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हैं, उन प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पता ही हम सबको एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू चलता है, which makes it so much more
In fact,
important.
let me tell you an interesting fact. You know, at times in my house, when I have discussion with my wife, and she tells me that she's heard of this brand, and I'll be like, okay, we are working for that brand, and this has happened so many times, and she's like, are you guys working with all the brands all over the place?
Okay, now that you work with the brand, of course, do you have brand loyalty, extreme brand loyalty with the brands that you work for? I'm not going to take any names.
I do have. I will not mind naming one, which is Apple. So I
Okay.
have a huge loyalty towards that brand.
All right, we are talking about advertising. I want to bring up the topic of the new age advertising versus traditional. What are your thoughts on that?
So obviously, advertising is a function of how people consume content, right?
Huh.
And obviously, the way we consume content has evolved a lot, right?
Correct.
There was a time when I used to wake up. For me, reading the newspaper was a very important habit. But now, for most of us, we just pull out our phone and we are checking on the news, right? So we are on Twitter probably, right? So you hence will have ad placements on Twitter, or you'll have ad placements on Instagram and wherever, right? But there is always a mix of the way your life journey is. If you think about our journey, right? Even before coming to your studio, I drove and came. So while I was driving, I was listening to the radio, and I was looking at things around me, and I would have seen a billboard, or I would have seen a bus that was just in front of me which had an ad on it,
Right.
or I would have seen an auto, right? So there is media all around us, and we are consuming it at all points of time. And I'm a firm believer of two things: that human beings are social animals, and we love to step out. So
Right.
we cannot just be confined to our mobile phones, that we will only consume content digitally.
Correct.
We'll also want to step out, right? And the more we keep doing that and we interact, there will be multiple touch points. So yes, things are evolving. Right now, the new age media or digital is overtaking the traditional media, but that doesn't mean that it will completely replace traditional media such as print, radio, TV, right? Because what's very interesting is people associate a lot of trust with these traditional media.
Right.
So because TV, newspaper and radio, it came in as a broadcaster of important information or news.
Right.
So there was a lot of trust. There was something official and trustworthy associated with. Even now, our honorable Prime Minister uses radio to
Right.
reach out to through Man Ki Baat, right?
Also, internet is not answerable to anybody.
Exactly.
अगर मैं इंटरनेट पर जाकर झूठ बोल दूं कि भाई
There's no accountability.
There's no accountability.
Yeah.
But अगर रेडियो पे बोलूं, जेल हो सकता है मेरे को.
बिल्कुल, right?
So radio, print and television, you can't just say anything. I mean, television पर of course people have said anything, but you can't generally.
Yes.
We are accountable to the government of India. We're accountable to the people, of course. So वो चीज new age media पे
Absolutely.
नहीं
In
है.
fact, when we advise our clients, that's why we also in the mix ensure that if you want to build trust, you have to work with these media, right? It has a certain amount of credibility associated with it.
Right, the new age media will evolve. Traditional media like radio itself will evolve. In what shape, only the future knows. We can only guess for that matter. But how does the future of advertising look? How difficult is it to plan for a future which you don't know what shape it will take, for that matter?
AI is the latest buzzword right now.
Right.
जिसे हम artificial intelligence जो कहते हैं. So today it is interesting and scary that through AI you can generate a creative idea within seconds. So will that mean that creative people will go out of business? I don't think so. It will just make them also evolve to what is it that they can offer in partnership with the AI tool. If you look at human evolution, technology has always helped us evolve to the next level of society. So
Right.
as long as we leverage these tools as a partner and not as a foe, I think we will only get the best out of it.
When it comes to AI and creativity, basically, I have not used too much of AI that way in my work, because again, if you want to be creative, I don't know how AI helps that, because AI will not think and tell you of an idea which doesn't exist. AI will only give you a mishmash of things that are
Yes.
already existing. So how can you be creative? You can build something on that. मैं AI से पूछ सकता हूँ कि अच्छा अगर मुझे एडवर्टाइज करना है बताओ, and I can build on that. उसका कुछ एक अलग शेप दे सकता हूँ, but it can't give you something which doesn't already exist. So for creative people, and I would like to call myself one, you guys certainly are, I think our jobs are still safe, and there's a lot of latitude for us to explore.
Absolutely. I think AI is just gonna probably save some bit of time
Huh.
and give you the head start. and then obviously from there on you can build, as you rightly said. So AI will become a support, part to us and our lives. So yeah, so that's how AI will play, but it won't be able to probably remove other jobs.
Right, both of you, Abhishek and Mukesh, thank you so much for coming to the Fever Studio. We've taken quite a bit of your time. You guys are one of India's biggest media agencies, which means you guys have a lot of work.
But we
I
also
guess-
like having fun. This
Absolutely.
was a
I
lot
mean,
of
your
fun.
office space where it is, I'm not telling it out on air. It definitely points to the fact that you guys love to have some fun for that matter. How does your work day look at look like at a media agency? Do you guys work 6 days a week? Do you guys 5 days उसके बाद 2 दिन relax करने को मिलता है आपको?
So
we
he
have-
starts at 4:30 in the morning. He goes for a 10-kilometer jog. If I can reveal that secret.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Are you preparing for something? Yeah, daily
So we
routine
keep running marathons, so long runs.
Acha.
So yeah, so I do that with my partner Sameer, and so media, and we have 5-day work, and the day starts. People start coming in at from 8:30, and then people start leaving by 5:36 as the day progresses. So it's quite fun. It's not all pressure.
Right.
It's we want to work hard and party hard.
Absolutely. That's what you get in Media Ant, and that's what you get with the campaigns as well. Once again, the website, guys.
TheMediaAnt.com.
Very simple one to remember. TheMediaAnt.com. Abhishek and Mukesh, thank you so much for coming to Fever Studios. I hope you had a great time here. And once again, thank you for being on Fever FM.
Thank you so much for having us here. We loved it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Fever FM. Happening.